YouTube, it's Yassy, and today we are going to be doing an IPSY review. So I finally got my IPSY for this month, and I cannot wait to show you all what I received. So if you're interested in knowing what's in this IPSY package, please stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to follow your girl on social media. So I am so excited to find out what's in this IPSY package. This is like my third month getting IPSY, and I've been impressed so far. So this is the September bag. I am loving the fall colors. This maroon color here, so cute. And I love how the material is like the sweater, soft material. Oh, and the zipper, it even says IPSY. Isn't that cute? I don't know. I just noticed the smallest things. Inside the bag, you know, we have this card. All of the bags come with a card. And it says September 2020, good vibes. And it says this month, radiate positivity. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color, when you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. I'm liking this. On this card, it talks about the products that I have in my IPSY bag. Now, this month, they actually did let me choose a product that I wanted. And let me show you the product that I actually chose. And it is the IPSY Illuminator brush. This brush is used to like apply highlighter to the high points of my face and to blend on concealers. I like it, and I like how firm it is. So yeah, this is the brush. I don't know if you all can see it. So I am excited to use this brush because I'm not really a brush geek when it comes to makeup. Normally, I just buy the cheapest brushes that I see. You know, I'm not one to name brushes or go to the MAC store, Sephora. You're like, oh, I have this brush 283 or 117 or whatever. See, I don't know what I'm talking about because I don't normally buy brushes that are numbered or have names. I just buy whatever brush that looks good to me, that's cute, and that's cheap, and you know, it does the job, so I wouldn't know. That was the first product. It retails for $11.95. Next, we have the Professional. Okay, the Professional. It is a hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. That's definitely something I need because I have some huge pores. And of course, it's the sample size. And it's supposed to give you a 12-hour hydration. This helps your makeup stay put, so I'm gonna open it. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, it's so little and cute. And it's all free and lightweight, which is something I also need because I have really oily skin. Most of you that have been watching my channels notice that. I don't know, I have to smell products, guys. It actually smells good. I don't know, it has kind of this flowery or lavender scent to it. It smells good, y'all. I don't want to waste it. Well, I'm gonna try it out anyway, and if I like it, I'll just end up buying the full size. This smells really good, and it is lightweight, and it's not too dry. Like some primers that are meant for oily skin to give you that matte look, sometimes they kind of dry out your skin, but this kind of has some moisture to it. You know, that's surprising, and I'm really excited to use this. So the tip is to dot this on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin and blend it out. A little goes a long way. So if you get the full size version of this product, it retails for $32. And the full size for this product is 22 ml. Let's see what else we have in this bag. So next we have the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. I really like the packaging. I really like this pink color, the pink and gold. It's really cute. I hate over time with mascaras that it just gets really thick and just clunky. So we'll see how this one does. A tip for this one, it gives you extra volume and length. You just wiggle it through your lashes in a zigzag motion. So that's the tip. And the full size version of this product is 7 ml and it retails for $23. Currently, this is a 2 ml. Next, what do we have? Okay, so we have the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. So this is actually cruelty free, and that's really good. That's a good thing. So you're basically going to apply an even layer to the skin. Make sure your skin is clean first of all. And if it's dry, it really helps with dry skin. You want to apply it and leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So this is a 15 ml, and it retails for $29.99. It helps the skin glow, it helps stimulate the collagen and reduce hyperpigmentation, which is something that I have a problem with. And it deep cleans the pores, it soothes redness, and it protects the skin from harsh environmental aggressors. Of course, I gotta smell everything. Oh, seal, that's right. Let me see if it's actually a pink color. I don't want to waste it. Doesn't really look pink to me. Does that look pink to y'all? Because it don't look pink to me, but okay. If you say so. The container's pink, so I guess. Okay, last but not least, we have the IPSY by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen. So this is in the color Bronze Beam. A silky eye pen. I can't wait to try this. Let me read the tip, y'all. So for an easy smoky look, smudge just along your lash lines and blend before pigments set. I'm definitely gonna have to try this one of my get ready with me's. But I actually got some lip gloss from IPSY by Petra, and I loved it. I love the color, I love the smell. So that's actually a good brand. So I'm really excited to try this silky eye pen. Let me see how it looks on my skin. Oh wow, I don't even have to really, it is very silky, okay? I didn't even have to press hard with this thing. Look at this, y'all. And let's see how it smudges. It smudges pretty good too. Okay. I'm really excited to try this. So the full size retails for $12, okay? Yeah, go get this because I like it already and I ain't even put it on my eyes yet. I would definitely recommend this for a smoky eye. So basically, I have been using IPSY for 3 months now, and in my opinion, I think it's worth it with the products you get. And also, it allows you to try the products before paying full price for these, because some of those products can be pricey. So you don't want to waste your money. And with makeup products, you can't always take them back. I really think the Glam Bag is worth it. Now, I haven't upgraded, and I've seen other YouTube videos, and some people have said that, you know, upgrading isn't really worth it. But I'm gonna do a few more Glam Bags, and I'm actually gonna keep doing reviews to show you guys what I get before I decide whether or not I want to upgrade. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. It was basically straightforward to the point. And if you want to see how these products look when I apply them, then you gotta stay tuned for my get ready with me videos, my eyeshadow tutorials, all that, okay? So make sure you ring that notification bell and hit that subscribe button so that way you can see more of my videos, because trust me, there are more to come. And also, don't forget to follow your girl on all these social media platforms, okay? So all of my social media platforms are linked in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, comment and let me know what you think, and hit that like button. And also, if you are subscribed to IPSY, let me know your opinions on the Glam Bag, and also your opinion on whether I should upgrade or not. And if you have experience with the products that I showcased in this video, let your girl know. Peace.